You mean there's a Singapore variant? Cannot be. I'm in Singapore, but I don't know about it. Hi everyone, this is Chris from Christainment, and I hope you have a wonderful day. So just a couple of minutes ago, right, my wife was, her usual self, doing some searching on YouTube to find out about the COVID situation in India. Then suddenly, she shout for me leh. I was like, what happened? Did my baby just fell down or something? So I ran to her, and you know what she told me? She said, hey, she saw on India Today, that there is a new variant called the Singapore variant, and it's very contagious among the young children. I was like, steady Zunbo. You sure or not? Hey, don't anyhow spread this kind of news, little fake news. So I was so scared, so I go and research immediately. I'm going to search the MOH website, Ministry of Health website, like how all typical Singaporean will, go to the MOH website to get the latest update and things like that. Then I must say heng. I was very relieved when I saw the update as of 18th of May one. Okay, so before I show you the 18th of May update from the MOH website, which of course you can also search okay. But before I show you, let me sell a bit of goyo here first. So if you are new to my channel, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you'll be notified of any new videos that I'll be doing Okay, so as you can see, there's no proof of truth whatsoever in the reports that are reported by the India media okay. So there's no such thing as the Singapore variant as of 18th of May. I just say as of 18th of May. I must caveat this as of 18th of May. Okay, so apparently the variant that was being found lately because of all the increased cases and all the clusters that have been formed in Singapore, it actually belongs to this B1617 variant, which originated from India Okay, this one also no offense okay, no offense to our India friends here but around the world this variant is also known as the India variant. Okay, because it's originated from India okay, that's why it's called the India variants. Okay, so confirm the shop, there is no such thing as Singapore variant. Okay, so wait, I'll go and tell my wife first.
Good evening, you're over To The Point, and I'm Preeti Chaudhary, and we begin this edition of To The Point with the latest news break coming in. There's been a bit of talk, viewers, we've seen of the Singapore strain, which allegedly is affecting children. After reports that the Singapore variant is impacting kids where coronavirus is concerned, the Health Ministry has now responded to this development, saying that the government has a host of protocols in place for children. The Health Ministry also says that we have trained pediatrics and are constantly monitoring the situation. Singapore has warned that the new virus strains infect more children and has shut schools. Meanwhile, the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal just a short while ago had requested the central government to stop flights from Singapore immediately, keeping in mind how this particular virus strain impacts children a lot more, which he called the Singapore strain. Let's listen in to all the reactions that are coming in.
Very interesting footage. Yes, the Ministry of Education in Singapore, MOE, they did declare 19th of May, which is today, till the 20th of May, for all students of all levels to actually have this home-based learning. Okay, but then this is part of the heightened phase 2 measures, which also includes working adults, not just students. Okay, so working adults are those adults like me, need to go to office right? Okay, so now instead of going to office, we are all given work from home as default. So the logic behind this whole entire thing, okay, the students and the adult is to make sure that we stay at home as much as possible. Okay, it is not really because there is a more infected case among the children. Okay, so no. Okay, so for those positive cases found in school, okay, of course the school will be closed down Okay, that is part of the SOP right? It is the same one. Got positive case in school, we close down the school. Got positive case in Jewel, we close down Jewel. Got positive case here, got positive case there, we close this down, close that down. Why? So that prevent further spreading Also part of the SOP one. Very standard way of handling the situation, which is why make me puzzle How come can attribute to Singapore variant Okay, so this is my personal view why I think the Indian media might have a name or so-called call the variant the Singapore variant. Okay, so instead of naming the variant because of where it was originated from, they named the variant to where it was spread to. So for example, the Indian variant, we originated from India, okay, spread to Singapore now. So Singapore now we have a few cases. That's why they call this the Singapore variant. Imagine if the India variant spread to Japan. Then we have the Japan variant. If it spread to Malaysia, we have the Malaysia variant. Wow. So we have a lot of variants. Make sense or not? Of course doesn't make sense, right? So how we have a new variant? Actually, a new variant is so-called discovered when it was genetically different from all other previously known variant. This is how we have a new variant, and this is how the India variant or the B1617 variant was being formed, because it was different from the other discovered variants, and it was first discovered from India.
हम लोग वी आर एग्जामिनिंग ये जो रिपोर्ट जिसको आपने रेफर किया है, उन्होंने किस पर्टिकुलर वेरिएंट का कहा है उसके बारे में ऑथेंटिक बात इंफॉर्मेशन होगी रादर दैन फ्रॉम अनकन्फर्म्ड सोर्सेज, उसका जवाब देंगे। लेकिन जो बच्चों में कोविड का प्रभाव है उसके बारे में मैंने कोशिश करी कि मैं आपको क्लियर करूं व्हाट इज नोन एंड हाउ टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू इट।
Okay, so India is stopping flights from Singapore. Logical move, okay? Logical move, I would say very logical move. In fact, okay, all countries should also stop flights from India, okay? Not because, well, you stop, I should stop, no. It's because the COVID situation in India is actually quite bad. So, to prevent the India variants from spreading into the respective countries, I think stopping flights from India is the most logical move to do. In fact, in Singapore, okay, a lot of people is actually complaining to our Zhenghu. Hey, you already know the India situation is so bad already. Why you didn't put restriction earlier? Why you didn't stop flights from coming in earlier from India? You should have done that. If you had done that, maybe today we will not have we will not have the Changi Airport cluster. We will not have the Tan Tock Seng Hospital cluster already. Okay, but now I say all these are a bit 风凉话 lah. Okay, the virus have already broke in already. Okay, so now what we can do, is to make sure we take extra care, okay, to take care of ourselves and our family members, and to control the spread of the virus, so that we can all get through this together.
Now we have the protocol, we have awareness, we have trained pediatricians, we have had webinars directed at child-related COVID disease and so on. और in a way it is also reassuring कि बच्चों में सीरियस डिजीज नहीं होती, सिंपल तरीके से ही वो फैलाए नहीं इन्फेक्शन, ये एक पार्ट है, और सिंपल ट्रीटमेंट पैरासीटामोल वगैरह से ही उनका इलाज हो जाता है।
All right, viewers, let me quickly encapsulate this latest news break that has come.
Very weird, very interesting. Not too sure whether you guys spot it or not. Okay, so India Today is actually talking about the Singapore variant. Okay, so but then the footages they show in their first half, especially the first half of their video clip, actually shows a lot or mostly are in India. Maybe I only spotted one scene, which is the Next. They actually put a short footage about the Next shopping center. That's the only one that I can relate to Singapore. Okay, if you guys spot any other Singapore scenes, please comment below so that I can rewatch it again. Okay, so most importantly, it's actually the classroom scene, because this whole thing is about the variants are being very or will impact the student more. Okay, so they must have this classroom scene. But then the classroom scene is an India classroom rather than a Singapore classroom. Okay, so if I may, India Today, if I may give you a suggestion, and that is to, if you want to talk about something, please show footages that are relevant to it. Okay, so the video clip that you have done, actually quite confusing. I would say quite confusing, because it actually made me think that, two things. Okay, maybe think two things. One, are you trying to say that Singapore looks like that? Looks like how India looks like? Or two, this whole video clip actually talks about the situation in India and not in Singapore. So very confusing. So maybe you can take it back and see how you can improve. Alright, that's it for this video. So if you like this video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up, okay? And if you're new to my channel, okay, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you'll be notified of any new videos that I'll be doing. So till my next video, please stay safe, and this is Chris Sell, signing off.